Hello everyone and welcome back to Crypto School YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to check out another awesome and a very amazing pre-sale product. So make sure you watch the video till the end. So before going further into the video, I am going to give you a small disclaimer that I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research as well. This video is for educational purposes. So guys, here you can see the project we are going to review is known as xCellar. So here we are on the website and you can check out their pre-sale is currently going on. It will end in almost 2 days and you can check it out. They have raised this much amount of USD in the pre-sale. It's almost $500,000. So the pre-sale is still on and you can check out the current supply, and total supply is 700 billion tokens, and for the pre-sale they have sold this much amount of tokens as well. So freedom powered by the Fawkes Formula, untraceable, unstoppable, uncompromised. So zero knowledge, multi-chain, untraceable as well as decentralized product. So product is really good. You can check out their pre-sale as well and buy it from here. Down here you can view their smart contract as well as check out other details as well. So method of buying is pretty simple. Down here you can check out a short video. You can also watch it. So now let's come to the Fawkes Formula of this product. They only see what we want to them to see. So basically they are providing liquidity, lock-free announced contract as well as no buy or sell tax. You can buy or sell anytime, anywhere. Fawkes Formula code, zero knowledge proofs, client-side proof generation, decentralized relays as well as cross-chain privacy, anti-surveillance shield are some of the features of this amazing product. Down here you can check out the token utility details are shown here. You can check out the rewards as well as details are given here, so make sure you check it out. Down here you can check out the token distribution. So 100% is for Fawkes Formula allocation, so you can check these details. Also you can check out supply metrics. There are 700 billion XCL tokens available for purchase during the pre-sale. Any remain XCL tokens not purchased during the pre-sale will be burned prior to the launch. So this is really good. Down here you can check out the frequently asked questions, that is what is xCellar. So xCellar is a DeFi protocol powered by Fawkes Formula, providing untraceable and secure transactions onto the blockchain. It's designed to give users complete financial privacy and control over their assets. So what is Fawkes Formula, you must be thinking. So the Fawkes Formula is their proprietary security protocol that forms the core of xCellar's untraceable transaction system. It utilizes advanced zero-knowledge proofs and cryptographic techniques to ensure complete anonymity. So you can check it out as well. How does pre-sale work? Each and everything are already answered by them, so make sure you check it out. Also make sure you follow them on their Twitter as well as their Telegram handle, because the developers of the product are part of this community and you can directly talk to them as well. So guys, I hope you like this amazing and awesome pre-sale and become part of this pre-sale after doing your own research as well. So make sure you check it out. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to this channel. I will meet you soon. So till then, take care and have a nice day.